In a world where stress and pain often go hand in hand, finding a natural solution to relieve both can seem like a distant dream. But what if the solution was simpler than you think? CoolCura offers a breakthrough, all natural way to soothe headaches, ease stress, and relieve tension in just 20 minutes a day. Inspired by ancient Feng Fu ice therapy, CoolCura promises instant relief without the need for pills, invasive treatments, or long recovery periods. If you're looking for a way to calm your mind and alleviate pain quickly, CoolCura might be the answer you've been searching for. What is CoolCura? CoolCura is a revolutionary device that uses Feng Fu ice therapy to provide natural, drug-free pain relief. Designed to do worn around the neck, this simple yet powerful tool utilizes cold therapy to activate a key pressure point in your body, the Feng Fu point, known for its ability to relieve headaches, stress, anxiety, and even insomnia. CoolCura makes it easy to apply this ancient technique with just a few minutes a day, providing quick relief from pain and discomfort. How does CoolCura work? CoolCura works by applying cold therapy to the Feng Fu point, a pressure point located at the base of your skull, which is known for its natural pain-relieving properties. By using an adjustable neckband and a stainless steel ice pod, CoolCura delivers targeted cold therapy that boosts blood flow, activates endorphins, and reduces stress in just 20 minutes. The cold helps calm the nervous system, reduces muscle tension, and promotes overall relaxation, offering immediate relief from stress, headaches, and more. Features and benefits of CoolCura. CoolCura is packed with features that make it an ideal choice for those seeking relief from pain and stress. Feng Fu ice therapy, a clinically proven method that has been used for centuries to relieve headaches, stress, and more. Instant relief. Feel the soothing effects within just 20 minutes of use. Adjustable neckband fits all neck sizes for ultimate comfort and ease of use. Stainless steel ice pod keeps the cooling effect longer for continuous therapy. No mess or drips. Unlike traditional ice packs, CoolCura stays cool without melting or leaking. Portable and convenient, easy to use anywhere, whether at home, work, or on the go. Non-invasive and drug-free, a natural alternative to painkillers with no harmful side effects. How to use CoolCura. Using CoolCura is incredibly easy and requires no special skills. Freeze the ice pod. Place the ice pod in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours. Insert the ice pod into the neckband. Once frozen, insert the ice pod into the adjustable neckband. Where the neckband, place the CoolCura around your neck and let the cold therapy work its magic for 20 minutes. That's it. In just a few minutes a day, you can relieve stress, ease headaches, and promote overall well-being with no mess and no hassle. CoolCura pros and cons. Pros. Provides fast, natural pain relief, non-invasive and drug-free, easy to use and portable, clinically proven to work, adjustable for all neck sizes, no mess or drips, affordable compared to other pain relief methods. Cons. Requires freezing the ice pod before use. May not be as effective for chronic conditions without long-term use. Price and where to buy CoolCura. CoolCura is available at a special discounted price with several purchase options to suit your needs. One CoolCura $34.99, save $5. Most popular, 3 CoolCuras, $79.98, save $39.99. Best deal, 5 CoolCuras. Plus, all orders come with free shipping from the US warehouse and a 90-day money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction with every purchase. CoolCura Conclusion. If you're tired of dealing with stress, headaches, and muscle tension, CoolCura offers a safe, effective, and convenient way to relieve these issues without relying on drugs or invasive treatments. With its easy-to-use design, clinically proven cold therapy, and affordable price, CoolCura is the perfect solution for those looking to improve their well-being naturally. Say goodbye to headaches, stress, and discomfort. CoolCura is here to bring you fast, lasting relief. Ready to experience the benefits of Feng Fu ice therapy? Try CoolCura today and start living pain-free.